Imagine the colorful streets of Old San Juan, Puerto Rico, the charm and history of Casco Viejo in Panama, and the vibrant soul of Havana, Cuba. Now imagine all of that right here in Vistacana Punta Cana. This isn't your typical modern development filled with glass towers and straight lines. This is character, this is culture, this is design with identity. And today I'm going to share with you recent footage of Pueblito Caribeño, a themed project that for many of you will feel familiar because it brings back the essence of what the colonial zone looks and feels like in your home country. Pueblito Caribeño in its present state can be accessed directly from the main road inside Vistacana as well as from the side of Paseo del Sendero. And while Phase 1 is already close to completion, there are plans in place for Phase 2 and Phase 3, which tells you right away this isn't just a small concept. This is something that's meant to grow and evolve into a destination. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and choose the all option so you'll never miss a video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it so others can benefit from these incredible opportunities. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.